I have all the parts from the dealership to finish this service. First of all, I need to install the seal. I need to tap it in place somehow. Okay, it is in. I also forgot this small O-ring from inside. I washed my front sprocket in kerosene. It is still okay-ish, so I'm going to reuse it. Next time I will change it. There is one very interesting spring at the back of the engine, and it is used to set the pressure of oil in the engine. It is very important, so I'm going to change it with new one. I don't believe it was ever changed. The plug, two washers. This one is very thick. I forgot to order replacement, so I think I'm going to heat this up. Okay, so we have a spring. Inside there is a metal slug, a metal plug. My new spring looks like this. So I will use the new one. I am putting on the chain. I cleaned it with kerosene and lubed it with some chain lube. Bought some new chain, I don't know, guard. It goes right here. Now I'm going to service this finger. I even bought this new bearing. But I think this time I'm going to skip it and reuse the old one. I will change it on the next service. I also cleaned these seals. Okay, this side is going in as well. And it is in. These ones are going for some very light cleaning and degreasing. I will install this chain protector. Because I don't want to split my chain, I must put the chain on the first thing. So it goes like this. The bolt is in, chain is on. Okay, it has some movement here. So this bearing is going to be changed